Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Pune location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a vacancy for e-commerce executive position from Anduril Retail Company. It is located in Pune location, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a smart people with good hands-on experience on e-commerce seller portals who can help scale sales and increase their online and offline reach. So this is about the company. You can check here. 1 to 3 years of experience is required for this position for both males and females. So they have provided here the job location. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9762216195. Next, there is a job vacancy for front desk come assistant coordinator position from Dheeraj International School located in Pune location, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 21,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a qualified and experienced candidates who can join immediately for the following post at Dheeraj International School, Pune. So, you please check with the job summary. The candidate should be fluent in English, should have a good communication skills, and should be proficient in computers and office equipments, should have work experience of front desk and office work in school for 2 to 5 years. So these are the skills and are needed for this position. Interested candidates, so you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 91680 Next, there is a vacancy for associate position back office operations. It is from Wipro Ltd, located in Pune location, Maharashtra. You please check with the job description provided here. For this position, any graduates except BE or BTech, BCA or MCA or BBA. So interested candidates, so please check with the information provided here, and you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a vacancy from Cognizant. They are hiring for the position of process executive located in Pune. For this, the qualification will be bachelor's, master's degree in finance, accounting, management, etc. You please check with the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this official website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a vacancy for executive finance operations positions from Capita PLC located in Pune. Participants in ongoing production processing and performs basic operational tasks under direct supervision. So this is the job responsibilities and the description also provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and you'll get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a vacancy from Tata Communications. They are hiring for the position of computer service executive. So, interested candidates for this position, you can visit this website link and you will get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a vacancy for receptionist cum administration from Twin Engineers located in Bosari location, Pune. So it is in the departments of spares and service. Coming to education details, any plus high English proficiency is needed. 2 to 3 years of experience is also needed. So interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here for this position. You can send your resume to the provided email ID, or else you can contact them with the given phone number for additional information. The phone number is 7447401 396. Next, there is a vacancy for associate ops back office position. It is from WNS India. located in Pune location. Interested candidates, so please check with the job description provided here, and you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, there are so many openings from Cognizant. They are hiring for the position for process executive data process executive. So for this position, qualification will be bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience also preferred. So these are the responsibilities needed. Please go through it once. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, City is hiring for the positions of recruiting coordinator located in Pune location. Interested candidates for this position, you please check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities needed for this position. You can visit this website link and you'll get more detailed information about this position. Next, Accenture is hiring for the associate procure to pay processing position. So it is located in Pune location, Maharashtra. For this procure to pay processing, invoice processing operations, these are the skills required for this position. Check with this. Qualification will be BCom. 1 to 3 years of experience is also needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this official website link and get more detailed information about the job position. Next, there is a vacancy for executive gold loan position. It is from HDB Financial Services located in Pune. So you please check with the job description provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this official website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, there is a vacancy for TIS Service Desk Administrator position. It is from Wipro Ltd. So these are the skills. TIS Service Desk L2 is mandatory. This is the skill needed for this position. 1 to 3 years of work experience is also needed for this position. So you please check with the job description provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, Capita is hiring for the position of executive accounts located in Pune location. So for this position, you please check with the responsibilities and the description provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, Stanley is hiring for the positions of outbound logistics executive. So it is located in Pune location. For this, the skills will be good communication skills, should be good freight negotiator with a good knowledge of international freight industry, readiness to provide emergency support during non-working hours, team handling experience 5 to 6 members, hands-on knowledge of customs. So these are the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and you get more detailed information about this position and also how to apply for this position. Next, HDB Financial Services is hiring for the position of collection associate. So for this position, to achieve collection targets of the respective branch or area site, ensuring legal guidelines are compiled for entire collection structure in letter and spirits, ensure adherence to the code of conduct, personal visit of customers to check on root cause of delinquency, responsible for smooth flow of process relating to collection. So these are the this is the job description and the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link, official website link, and get more detailed information how to apply for this position and all. Next, Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited is hiring for the position of Associate Information Technology. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,75,000 to 2 lakhs rupees per year. The qualification will be any graduate or computer diploma or degree, good understanding of the latest technologies, and the candidate should have logical skills complemented with the productivity in delivering projects and implementing the same, and high level of discipline and commitment is needed. Exposure to software application, LAN and WAN setup, handling entry level servers and printers, entry level OS, Windows 10, Windows Server, and other software installations like SQL client, Microsoft Office different versions, antivirus software, etc. We should be having all these skills provided here, and please go through it once. Interested candidates, you can ask them with the given phone number. Is there any inquiries? You can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8308827 Next, Self-Drive is hiring for the position of back office, senior customer support executive in back office, located in Pune location. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates. Above 4 years of experience is needed for this position. Timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So these are the working hours. They have provided here the location. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, they are Career Mentors Private Limited is hiring for the position of admission counselor position located in Pune location. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So you please check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities needed for this position. The candidate must be a graduate for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9561405550. Next, there is a vacancy for educational counselor position from Enosis Solutions Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. To please check with the job responsibilities. Interested candidates, kindly you can send your resumes to the provided phone number, or else you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7757012052. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.